Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by controlling moisture and texture. Slice the eggplant to 1/2 inch and salt both sides. This draws out bitter water and firms the flesh. While it rests, preheat the oven to 425 degrees or get oil to 350 degrees if frying, because a hot surface gives crisp crusts. Now combine breadcrumbs, cheese, herbs, and a beaten egg in a shallow bowl. Make sure the mix is even. Once done, pat slices dry and move straight to dredging so moisture won't reaccumulate. You now focus on creating a seal. Pat each slice dry, dust lightly with flour, dip into egg wash, and press into breadcrumbs. This 3-step adhesion creates a barrier that keeps eggplant from sogging. If frying, cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until deep golden. If baking, spread on a rack and bake 12 to 15 minutes per side, flipping once. Make sure to avoid crowding because crowding drops temperature. Once you keep heat steady, crumb structure crisps and interior cooks through without oil absorption. You finish by resting slices on a cooling rack 3 to 5 minutes. This lets steam escape and the crust set, so each piece stays crisp when served. Plate with a squeeze of lemon or a spoonful of tomato sauce to balance richness, and garnish with fresh herbs for brightness. If a slice turns out soggy, don't panic. Recrisp in a 425 degrees oven for 5 to 8 minutes or quickly pan toast with a little oil. Make sure to pat any excess moisture first so crumbs reseal effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.